Today, we're changing the coil packs and spark plugs on the C63 AMG in under 10 minutes.
Best fucking place in the fucking...
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the first episode of GEARHEADS and GRUB. Today, we're working on a 2010 C63 Mercedes-Benz AMG. We're gonna change coil packs, sparks, full tutorial. And then we're gonna munch on some Dave's Hot Chicken in Park Slope, Brooklyn. And we're gonna give you guys an honest review of this fast food joint. Spark plug time, you heard? So here are the spark plugs and coils we got from FCP Euro. And now we just gotta take off the air filters and we gotta take these sensors off right here. So we gotta remove 5 screws on the air filter and then this whole thing should come off. Okay, once you have all the screws off, sensor disconnected, you wanna unscrew this right here with a flathead. So now you just take out the air filters. So now these plastic intakes pop out and then you'll get to the sparks and coils. Just pull them out. Just pop right out like this. Boom, boom. And there are your coil packs. So first, best thing to do is disconnect all the coil packs. You gotta be careful in pulling out the connector. You gotta push down here and pull out and it comes right out. And you want to do the same thing for all coil packs before you remove them. So each coil pack has 2 screws on each side. To take out the spark plugs, you typically need a spark plug tool. But if you don't have a spark plug tool, then you'll just use a 9/16 to take out the spark plug. Take your magnet and you catch the spark in there. And the spark plug comes right out. These are the old spark plugs right here. You could just tell, completely burnt out spark plugs. All right, so I just took out all the spark plugs. You guys are gonna have a really hard time with these spark plugs back here. These back two, maybe even the third one. But you're gonna need to create something like this, a little concoction here. So that way you can slip the head in there and twist something like this. So yeah, now we got Bosch spark plugs here from FCP Euro. Fresh spark. So here we got the new coil pack, fresh coil pack. Take it. And you want this tube to slide into the top of the spark plug. And you line it up with the holes and the connector, and you're Gucci, bro. After you bolted it down, you want to put the connector back. So the spark plugs and the coil packs are all in. Now it's time to reassemble the intake system. All right, guys, we just put back the whole intake assembly and the engine covers, and that's just the whole installation right there. So I hope this video helped, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Peace. This one is medium spice. This one is no spice because I can't handle spice.
I just had the pickle. That shit was nice.
Valid.
All right, let me see. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
That's mad good. What would you rate it on the wanted scale? How many stars on the wanted scale?
How many stars on the wanted scale, bro? That's...
There's only 5 stars. We only have 5
Yeah,
stars.
I know. We only have 5 stars. So I'd give it a... Just because this is the first episode, I would give it a 4.
You heard it here first, guys. Dave's Hot Chicken sandwich in Park Slope. 4 stars on the wanted scale. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next episode. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. And comment some food spots for us to check out in New York City.
Best fucking place in the fucking...